Good morning everybody and welcome to my vlog. So maybe nakita niyo sa post ko last time, I think yesterday, na pumunta ako ng Myeongdong. So I wasn't supposed to vlog kasi sobrang lamig. I thought that was -5. So I decided to put on my winter gloves. And pag naka-gloves ka kasi guys, it's not easy to access your phone. Hindi ko halos mahawakan yung phone ko. And para magamit ko yung phone ko, I have to take off my gloves. So, sabi ko, wag na lang mag-vlogs. Kaso nakita ko yung place, sayang naman. So, I just did. So, most of the time, nakikita nyo isang gloves lang yung suot ko guys. Kasi nagpa-vlog nga ako. I'm holding my phone on my other hand. So, I had to remove it. So, isang gloves lang yung suot ko the whole video. And a friend of mine, meron akong minute na mga friends and she was holding the camera for me. So, thank you to Ate Bebs for taking some of my videos. Anyway, the last time I've been here in Myeongdong was, I think that was pandemic. So, what I remembered in Myeongdong then was, it was a dead place. Halos walang tao nun kasi nga pandemic. Most of the shops were closed, under renovation. Walang katao-tao. So, this place to me now is a new different thing. Kasi nga, wow, it's very alive. It's very bright. And ang daming tao. And all the shops are open. And sobrang dami ring mga bagong additional shops. So, like, this Banila ko, parang it is newly painted. So, parang hindi ko to nakita last time. And there's so many other shops na I think is bago. Additional shops, mga additional K-pop shops actually. Sobrang daming bago. So, parang it's a new place to me actually. So, I can't help myself to vlog and I show you guys how it changes talaga. And as you can see, Myeongdong is full of colors, guys. So, iba-iba sila ng gimmick para maka-attract ng customers. So, pabonggahan ng display at ng exterior design para maka-attract ng customers. So, this is a whole new place talaga. And so many additional shops like this one. So, parang ngayon ko lang siya nakita. And it is also a place of the biggest, HBAF almond store. Ito yung pinakamasarap na flavors, guys. Honey butter. So, pag umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, magdadala ako nito para matikman niyo. Okay? So, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ako uuwi. So, let's wait and see. And available naman to online. So, kung gusto kong bumili, sa online na lang kasi nga, masakit yung kamay ko, guys. So, I can't carry heavy things. So, wala kami actually binili. So, nag-vlog lang ako inside. So, one thing that catches our attention when we got here is yung kanyang exterior design. But very, it is a combination, of bright, contrasting colors. Tapos madaming mga design. So, it really catches our attention. So, maybe it is other tactics, to grab customers' attention. So, for commercial purposes. And after the HBAF store is, nakita naman namin itong Line Friends store. So, sobrang cute din ng kanyang interior. So, pumasok kami. I thought it was just an ordinary, Line or Friends store. Yung mga emoticons, yung mga teddy bears, mga toys na binibenta nila with connection to the Line Friends emoticon. But no, punong-puno din pala ito ng mga K-pop merchandise. Especially BTS, nandito yung mga handprint signed merchandise ng BTS. So, if you're BTS fans, visit Line's Friends store. So mga naghahanap ng mga souvenirs, yung mga pampasalubong, if you're a tourist and you're going back to your country and naghahanap ka ng mga pwede mong pampasalubong to your family and friends, Myeongdong is the perfect place for you to go kasi nandito lahat ng mga souvenirs na hinahanap mo if you are into Korean skincare, if you are into K-pop merchandise, yung mga anik-anik, lahat siya nandito. So, lahat ng klase ng cosmetics, skincare, Korean skincare is nandito. So, it is the place of the biggest, Olive Young, sa Daiso, at yun nga, yung mga K-pop merchandise store is nandito lahat. So, bago ka umuwi, daan ka muna ng Myeongdong. And then, nakita din namin tong K-Mecha shop. Bali, it is the biggest K-pop merchandise shop in Myeongdong. So, halos buong second floor nito, guys, is puro BTS merchandise. I am not really into K-pop, guys. So, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa mga K-pop songs. But yeah, I know BTS. I know most of their songs. Bali, BTS lang, guys, yung gusto ko. And Blackpink. So, yun lang yung kilala ko actually. So, maybe medyo tumatanda na tayo, guys. So, hindi ko na alam kung para saan tong mga to actually. So, yung mga souvenirs din sila dito, mga pampasalubong, mga t-shirts and cups. If you're a K-pop fan, punta ka dito. And then, Myeongdong also is a very famous place for Korean cosmetic shops. So, nandito lahat, guys, ng makeup brands that you can think of. So, this is, punong-puno ito, guys, ng mga beauty shops, ng mga makeup brands. So, from Vanilla Co to Lush to Etude, ano pa ba, to Holika, kung ano-ano, guys, lahat nandyan. Kung ano yung maisip mong brand, for sure, meron yan dito sa Myeongdong. So, mahilig ka sa makeup, punta ka din dito. Hindi na din ako mahilig masyado sa makeup kasi yung one of my friend is nirigaluhan niya ako, guys, ng mga makeup. So, parang magto 2 years na din yata akong hindi bumibili ng makeup. I also found that the biggest Olive Young, guys, na nakita ko. So, parang the whole building, guys, puro lang siya Olive Young. So, and then, pwede mo rin ma-claim agad-agad yung tax refund mo. So, pakita mo lang yung passport mo. So, if you are a tourist, I think it is mas convenient na dito ka sa Olive Young mamili kasi nga makiklaim mo agad-agad yung tax refund. And it is also a place for all the famous, Korean skincare, and also meron din ditong makeup. Hindi ko vilinag yung makeup, guys, kasi bawal daw kumuha ng videos doon. So, nandito lang ako sa skincare. So, pero ang dami niya ding mga makeup brands, hindi ko lang kinunan. And napagod na kami, guys, ng kakaikot. So, we decided na maghanap na ng coffee shop that we could sit in para makapagkwentuhan kasi halos nalibot na namin lahat ng area and nakakapagod na, guys. So, we wanted to just sit in and magkwentuhan na. So, sobrang tagal na, guys, since the last time I took a day off with them kasi nga malayo din sa akin yung Seoul. Bali, Seoul is an hour away from my house. So, kung makikipagkita talaga ako sa kanila, it will need an effort kasi nga I have to travel for an hour to be in Seoul. So, and busy ako sa work. And working and at the same time you are a mother is not easy. So I think I focus a lot on working that I always spend my day off on my bed, sleeping and resting. So na-injured lang tayo this month, guys. So hindi ko magalaw yung aking shoulders and my arms and my hands are hurting. So I've been resting for almost 2 months na. So I took the chance to meet my friends and go all the way to Seoul para makita ko naman sila. And don't worry, guys, these friends are wholesome, they're harmless, and from time to time, I send them links from our website. So don't worry. And that is all for today. Thank you all for watching. Bye.